Guys, welcome back to JC and Jameson episode. So today we'll be making some slime. So the things you need is water. I don't have a faucet or just a water faucet here. So I just use my water.
Now you need a container
and Elmer's glue. Some borax, which is I put it in the container. And the glue. I had to buy this at Fred Meyer, so yeah, just telling you guys, and yeah, at the school section. And now we're just gonna be using cream makeup since we don't have any neon food coloring, so we're just gonna use some of this to make it greenish. And now we're just gonna mix just gonna have something to stir with. And then a thing to put in it. And we have a bowl to put things in. So, yeah, so first you just take out this Elmer's glue.
We're making a lot.
Yes. Yeah, he's excited. I said tomorrow, but he said today. Here comes nothing. I love you, glue.
I'm gonna do something off.
Oh my gosh, I'm crying.
On camera. Okay. I'm not gonna do anything. Hey, do a lot.
No, not today. These are for tomorrow.
Today.
Isn't this a lot?
No.
Guys, isn't this a lot? Isn't this a lot? Gosh. Man, these glues are wasted.
A few more, please.
No, a little bit.
A few more.
Now we're just gonna get a little bit
water first.
Just a little bit of water. Would you like to pour? Yeah, or just okay. Stop. No, a bit more. Yeah, and now we put some borax in there. It's a detergent. And we're gonna put some water in there. Make sure it's a lot. It's because your brother makes some more. Okay, so we're just now gonna get something to stir this thing, and I'll be right back. And I got a little spoon, and now we're gonna mix it until it's like milk.
Milk.
Yeah. Because that's what you want. Isn't it what you want?
With my birthday.
With my nostrils. Ew. And yeah, and then it's quite a bit milky. And but halfway. And I'll be right back when I'm done finishing and stirring this thing all together. Okay, we just have some milky glue.
Don't drop my phone in there too.
Okay, and now we're just gonna use some cream makeup. Just a little bit.
It's from Halloween. I don't want to use it.
Too bad, it's gonna look like zombie color. So it looks like
so it's Halloween. Yeah, I forgot.
And a little bit is enough. Food coloring.
It's probably toxic.
Yeah, so. He's always worrying about things that I don't care to blame. So yeah. I have to combine this. I'll be right back. So it's been like a smoothie, avocado smoothie.
And now we're gonna dump the borax in.
Yes. And now feel free to be messy. So, sorry guys.
I'd rather stir.
And it turns into slime. So, yeah, and that's how you make slime. But sorry, we don't have time to doodle. So we're just gonna do the pen like this. You guys see it? It's slime.
We hope you guys enjoyed this video. Comment down below, subscribe, like the video.
Bye.
Follow us on... Don't follow us on Twitter.
Okay.
Bye.